Hi, everybody. Welcome to Dandelion Cottage. I'm Leslie Watkins, and today is World Card Making Day. That's true, it's a thing. I think it's the first Saturday in October every year is World Card Making Day. And it's a day to make a card or buy a card. I mean, you could buy one. But the important thing is to have a card that you can send to somebody and brighten their day. And I come here 3 times a week on Facebook Live and I make a card for you. So you know that this is something that I really enjoy. And one of the reasons why I like it so much is because each card is like a little miniature piece of art. And I don't always have time to spend a full day in the studio painting or designing or whatever, because life happens. There's stuff that needs to get taken care of, like the chickens and the gardens and the house, and you know it piles up. But it's pretty easy to put aside a little bit of time to make a card. And you don't need a lot of equipment to do that. In fact, a lot of the stuff you may already have. And I thought that to celebrate World Card Making Day today, I would show you a couple of different cards using two really pretty bundles that I'm going to go over with you in just a few minutes. And also talk about some of the things that you need to make a card. So I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll do something simple to begin with, and then I'll show you how you can add more and more to make it as elaborate or complex as you would like. So let's get started. So the two sets I have out are Nature's Harvest, and I thought that with these last days of late summer, early fall, we should do our best to celebrate the flowers that are still blooming in the gardens, because I can tell you here in New England it's starting to feel a little bit crisp outside. And I actually had a firewood delivery today, and it just seems like time is going by so fast. So I just want to hang on to these flowers for as long as we can. So I've got Nature's Harvest and I've got Quiet Meadow. And what these are a set of red rubber stamps. And you get all these images plus these various sentiments. And if you'd like, you can also get a matching die set. So the Nature's Harvest comes with these dies. So you see, you can cut out these images if you choose to. There's also a couple of different labels that are very nice for the sentiments. The Quiet Meadow die set is a little more elaborate because this one has a whole bunch of different shapes of various meadow flowers, plus it's got some butterflies. It's got a couple of tags here. So there are 13 dies in this set. And I also have out my rectangle stitched set, and this is a kind of a go-to set, something that you want to have available for making card fronts, labels, little tags. It's a staple, okay, in your card making supplies. And I have that out because one of the sentiments here, this one, it reads, "A reminder to never forget how much you mean to me and so many others." And I can match that up, and that's going to look really nice on there. I'm going to have to pause for just a minute because I just got I have to apologize. I just got a message on my computer here saying that my iPad storage is full. So I'm going to have to go and delete some files so that there's room to continue. So while I'm doing that, why don't you go get yourself a cup of coffee and settle in, because this is going to be a little bit longer because I'm going to make several cards today and you don't want to miss it. So I'll see you back here in just a few minutes.